Shiba Inu prices can skyrocket in the near future. This may be Shiba Inu's last opportunity, according to basic analysis and the charts. This video will provide you with an analysis of the Shiba Inu pricing based on charts and the current news. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or own Shib tokens. How will the most recent developments involving the Shiba Inu coin impact its value? In today's video, I'll address these concerns and fill you in on all the recent news that has increased the value of Shiba Inu. Please watch the whole video from beginning to finish so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. First, however, let's check out the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on August 9th before we get into our issue, shall we? Right now, a Shiba Inu will set you back around 1,395 units. With a trading volume of $306 million, Shib's price has increased 5% in the previous 24 hours. At the moment, the token is the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market valuation of more than $8.2 billion. We will examine the Shiba Inu price analysis and examine several charts now. News and basic analysis will be covered later in the film. I do my best to simplify things so that even someone without any background in the subject may grasp them. First things first, let's check out the Shiba Inu versus Tether chart. Since this is a weekly chart, we can see the market's overall movement over the course of a year, since each candlestick represents a whole week's worth of trades. Over the years, the price has consistently found support in the gray-shaded region. Price action has recently reversed at this level, suggesting it may be a good place to consider making a purchase. Additionally, Shib's controlled fall is shown as a descending blue channel. Although price action has been contained within this channel, a breakout appears imminent. The price may find support at one of the important Fibonacci levels. The price has the potential to rise sharply if she manages to escape the current channel and the support zone. As a result, a possible input values range from 1,393 to 1,272 units. To sum up, the current purchase opportunity is highly intriguing at this support block. If the price can break out of its present patterns, I anticipate a 20% gain. Thus, I'm buying here in little increments using dollar cost averaging on minimal leverage. But that's for the far future. Now we may examine the daily timeline, where each candle stands for a day. There is an obvious trading technique in this Shiba Inu chart. It is recommended to make a purchase whenever the price surpasses 1675 units. A crucial breakout moment is indicated by this level. Profit targets at the levels shown by the chart should be pursued once the price rises above 1675. The 2,022.50 and 2,500 unit objectives have been set. For this method to be successful, Shib must also break through a resistance trend line. There is a blue support zone just below the breakout level, which has served as a floor for the price in the past. This video does not constitute financial advice, and the prices shown may have changed by the time you see it. Allow me to introduce you to today's video. 0001. Shib pricing in view as Shib burn rate soars. 7,000% amid Shibarium 6 million blocks milestone. Increased activity in the Shibarium network caused the burn rate of Shiba Inu to skyrocket by more than 7,000% on July 30. In the last day, 2.37 million Shib coins were transmitted to addresses in burn malls, according to Shiba. Despite the slowing burn rate, the deflationary effects of removing so many tokens from circulation benefit Shib investors and the ecosystem as a whole. The increased burn rate hints to greater activity on the Shibarium blockchain, which just passed a record of 6 million blocks. According to Shibarium's marketer, Lucianix, the network accomplished this crucial milestone when the total number of transactions on the chain topped 416 million. The update of the Shiba, Eternal Web3 gain to Web3, is one example of how blockchain development is fueling Shibarium's growth. Shiba is poised for a 100% surge, according to analysts. At the time of writing, Shiba Inu was trading at 1,395 units, after a 4.4% increase in the last 24 hours, mirroring the overall decrease in the cryptocurrency market. Despite the short-term price decline, Shib has made new highs, displaying upward momentum, according to the 6-hour chart of the coin's price movement. Meme coin has space to expand at the 54 Relative Strength Index, as selling pressure has not yet intensified to cause negative sentiment. Therefore, there is opportunity for further expansion. The moving average convergence-divergence line further confirms the positive sentiment around Shib. With the MACD line now above the signal line, it's likely that the trend will reverse and that additional gains are on the horizon. Shiba Inu was about to have a huge rise, said ex-analyst Jonathan Carter. According to the expert, Shib has established a falling channel, which might indicate a change in trend. A price surge of 120% to 3,800 units is possible if Shib surges beyond the 50-day moving average and breaks out of this channel. If Shiba Inu achieves such a leap, it may set a new benchmark. Analysts are projecting that Shib will have a high conviction rate, which is contributing to its good price performance. This is evidence of the investor's faith in Shiba Inu's abilities. It would mean the world to me if you could just go ahead and hit the like button if you're still watching. You can support the channel without spending a dime. But stay tuned for more Shiba Inu news and updates, as well as predictions for the future of the Shiba Inu coin. We can now get down to the meat of today's video. P2E game for Shiba Inu to boost SHIB burns. The approach is described by the team. The developers of the Shiba Inu ecosystem have revealed a method by which the collectible card game Shiba Eternity may use additional SHIB tokens in its gameplay. Lucy, who heads up marketing for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, stressed that more Shiba Inu burns will be possible because to the huge playtime in Shiba Eternity. How Shiba Eternity will improve SHIB burns. She claimed that the Shibarium transaction count will climb as more individuals play the Web3 version of Shiba Eternity. Players will need to use the Shibarium gas token, BONE, to initiate in-game transactions when the game launches. So, it seems that greater BONE usage is associated with higher gaming activity. Lucy claims that burning SHIB tokens will occur when BONE is used to start transactions in Shiba Eternity. This is because part of Shibarium's design was to eliminate fees by burning SHIB. Also, the head of marketing for Shiba Inu NFT Shiboshi predicted that demand will skyrocket due to greater gaming. To play Shiba Eternity, players need a Shiboshi or SHIB, which may be purchased or rented. Interestingly, Lucy used the metaphor of an ecosystem to describe the interconnected structure of Shiba Eternity. The community is aiming to make burns worse. Notably, there have been investor conversations about how to improve SHIB burning. Over $410.72 trillion SHIB has been burnt so far by the community and Ethereum co-founder Violet Buterin. According to statistics from Shibburn, 1.72 million SHIB had been incinerated in the previous 24 hours. Burning more than 56 billion SHIB since debut, Shibarium has played a key role in lowering SHIB's substantial supply. There are still 589.27 trillion SHIB in circulation, even after burning more than 410.72 trillion SHIB. As a result, many people who are passionate about Shiba Inus have suggested various measures to increase the burn rate. Nance recently put out a call for the community to burn SHIB with 1% of the exchange's Shiba Inu transaction costs. The Change.org petition got 142 signatories as of July 19. Having said that, as of this writing, there are 1,083 signatories on the petition. It is worth mentioning that the community has set a target of 50,000 signatures to strengthen its demand. I have requested that Binance burn SHIB using 1% of the token's trading fees, but they have not responded yet. If Binance doesn't respond, SHIB fans will keep hoping that SHIB's eternal life will help SHIB burns. Staking leash tokens on SHIBASWAP grants access to the game during its current closed beta testing period. Before the general public can participate in the beta testing, the team will first provide access to Shiboshi and Shiboshi holders. Because they trust in the Shiba Inu developers and the real world worth of Shib, several of our subscribers have said that they will not sell Shib for the next 5 years and keep millions of them. What number do you have in your hands? Please disclose all of your Shib holdings in the space provided below. The Shib holder deserves kudos for having faith in the procedure. If you're having fun with the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin in the comments. As an added bonus, you can get alerts whenever we upload a new video if you enable post notifications.